Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix monitor defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this overview, we will review the SurePower 4 battery and charging station for the Zenix monitor defibrillator. On the back of the Zenix device, you will find the SurePower 4 battery. Push the gray tab to remove the battery. When installing a battery, align it properly and ensure it clicks into place. To display the battery runtime or status, press the display button on the top of the battery. All LEDs blink to indicate that they are functioning. The battery then lights specific LEDs for approximately 10 seconds to indicate the battery's runtime, calibration status, and fault state. The number of illuminated LEDs ranges from 5 to 1. A battery with 5 LEDs lit indicates it is fully charged. As the battery depletes, fewer LEDs will illuminate. If the recalibration icon is lit, the battery needs to be recalibrated. Refer to the SurePower 4 battery pack guide for complete information on the battery status indicators. Battery runtime is also displayed in the status bar on Zenix. When a battery icon with a red X is displayed on Zenix, there is no battery installed in the device. The SurePower charging station will charge or recondition the battery as needed. To charge a SurePower 4 battery, you need a charger adapter. To insert the adapter into the charger, ensure the label is facing forward and press firmly down until the adapter clicks into place. To insert the SurePower 4 battery, hold the battery with the gray tab facing the right side of the charger. Press firmly until it clicks into place. The battery then communicates with the charger, which determines if the battery needs a simple charge or a recalibration cycle. The charger will perform whichever operation is indicated with no need for user interaction. We have now reviewed the batteries and charging features of the Zenix monitor defibrillator. We will explore additional features and functionalities in the other modules in this series.